Dear friends, we have brought today's new video content. So today's video content is going to be how to fix the camera on laptop Windows 11. Alright, let's start the video without delay. So first of all, you have to come to this Windows option. Once you're here, you simply have to click on Start. After clicking, you will find an option called Settings. You need to click on this Settings option. After doing that, if you look a bit below, you will see an option called Privacy and Security. You will need to click on Privacy and Security. After scrolling a bit, you will see an option called Camera. You simply need to click on Camera. After reading, everyone will have camera access turned on here. Those who have a problem will have theirs turned off. You need to turn on your camera access. And below here, let app access on your camera. Alright? You need to turn this on. After turning it on, your app will open. These few things will turn on. For those apps that are turned off here, you need to turn them on. And if your camera doesn't get fixed, what should you do? You need to come here to Windows again. You should search for Device Manager here. Alright, we are coming to this Device Manager. After returning, you will see an option for the camera here. You have to right click on it. It will be clicked. You need to change your scan hardware. Alright, so you need to get into action here. Once in action, you need to go to the entire property. After arriving, simply press OK. Okay, by doing this, your camera problem will be fixed. So friends, if you liked our video, then please like, subscribe and share the channel. Now, as I am leaving, see you in the next video.